Morning, Steve Frady in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's nice, sunny, and warm here in Chicago today. Markets overnight a little bit lower. I think that there were some reports out of Europe that economic data was slowing. Also, Moody's suggested that the global economic recovery is losing some of its momentum. So you got the dollar higher and most commodities lower, led by the energy and the metals. That's kind of leaked over into the grains. I think that there was also talk that before this rain event that's going to occur over the next 4 to 5 days, there may have been a lot of corn planted in parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Dakotas, Nebraska, and we already know that Indiana and Ohio is ahead of the game. But there also could have been big leaps in Iowa, so that kind of cools down some of the concern about late plantings in corn, if that's true. Next 4 days, most of the Midwest, let's call it 70–80%, will get anywhere from 1 inch to 3 inch rains. The rains may favor the central and southern areas more than the northern areas. Maps after that look warmer and drier. As far as other data, we'll get some ethanol weekly production numbers. We saw ethanol prices lose yesterday to gasoline prices. I'm concerned that better margin may increase production. We'll get the NOPA crush data, which should be down from the previous month, and we have to continue to reduce the crush numbers because of the lack of soybean supply here in the United States. There were some rumors yesterday of more beans coming to the United States from South America. There's also some talk about maybe even some meal coming in the United States from South America. That might offer a little bit of resistance to the nearby bean spreads, since also the fact that the May contracts expired yesterday. July at one time in the beans was at a new record high level before expiration. Brazil dock workers are on strike. They're trying to work through a new contract, and so no one really expects that to cause any export pace problems, but market will watch it to see if that slows some of the beans that are going into China. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.